Today, I'm going to show you some exciting updates for the channel. As most of you know, we have hit over 20,000 subscribers, which is absolutely amazing, and I can't thank you all enough. It kind of blows me away that 5 years ago, I started this channel as just a little fun thing for me to do on the side, and it's really grown and taken off into a whole other universe, which included me writing a craft book for you guys, and getting to do all these amazing DIYs. So I just want to say thank you for all of you that have been here from the beginning, and if you're new, welcome, and we are just starting the ride. So hold on and we'll see where this goes. But today I have a couple exciting announcements. So some of you have been asking for merch. So I hooked up with Printify, and they are going to be doing some drop shipping style merchandise for me of pieces that I have designed for you. And I have some of them here today. There's also some pieces that I don't have physical copies of here. And I also have some holiday pieces that are going to be Halloween related that I'm going to throw up there. And then I'll also do the same thing for like Christmas and things like that. So I'm going to start to show you some of the different pieces that I have available on my Etsy store through Printify, and you should see them scrolling on your screen now. So I have a wide array of different logos and styles of shirts, and there's all different sizes. And basically what it is that the order goes through Printify. Most of these are being printed by Monster Digital, and then once Monster Digital creates your piece, they ship it right from them direct to you. So it doesn't actually touch my hands. It's just my designs and through my Etsy store. And I get a small portion of the money from that, but I love that you guys get to wear a little bit of magical merch, and we can just kind of spread who we are a little bit more. And I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see this, but this design right here is a new C&CC Apothecary logo that I have created. And you'll start to see this integrated on some of my labels. And as you guys know, I've used C&CC Apothecary on my labels for quite some time now. But I have an actual little logo here that I love that I came up with. And I think it's just a really cool design that says, hey, I support Cooking and Craft Chick. But at the same time, it's just kind of magical and potion-y. And I really love it. So, so this is the first time you guys are actually getting to see this full logo. And it is available on sweatshirts like this. So this is a nice hoodie. It's got a really great hood on there. It's available on t-shirts as well as some of these 3/4 length sleeve baseball style jerseys, which I absolutely love. And it's also available on mugs and a bag. So super exciting. Little nod to some potion and magic, and supports me and the channel, but at the same time doesn't scream Cooking and Craft Chick. So I do love this logo, and I'm glad that you guys are actually finally getting to see it. So you're going to see this Keep Making Magic on a couple different pieces of mine. And Keep Making Magic is what I write in all of the books that I sign. And I really think it kind of hits home because we are making magic. Every time we make magical props, we're making magic. And I think it's just a way to kind of keep the magic alive. So I really love the Keep Making Magic phrase, and I have used it on here in a couple different ways. So when you see all of these little icons and designs that I have around these, those are actually from the book cover of the Wizard's Craft book. And I designed that cover with all of these pieces kind of representing someone or something special in my life. So for example, the bat is my sister. She loves bats, so that was a way for me to represent her. My niece loves dragons, so there's a dragon on there. My dad is a firefighter, so I have a fire in here. Just all different ways. Each of them represents something in my life or something related to the channel, and I wanted to incorporate that on these shirts as well. So on some of the shirts, like this t-shirt here, on the front we have this really great potion bottle design. And on the tag it says C&C Apothecary. And then on the back we have the Keep Making Magic logo. So on a lot of these shirts you'll see where there's like a little potion bottle or something little on the front, and then it has the full design on the back. So these purple shirts, you will notice, have a different font on there, and it's the font of the Wizard's Craft Book. So on the front of the shirt, I have the smaller Wizard's Craft Book logo from the cover of the book, and then on the back, we have the Keep Making Magic. Now, that shirt only comes in purple, and then we also have a white with purple sleeve option of baseball shirt like that as well. And the baseball jersey just has the Keep Making Magic logo on there. It doesn't say the Wizard's Craft Book, but I wanted to put a couple pieces in there that were a nod to my book. And since you guys have been enjoying it so much, I thought some of you might enjoy wearing some merchandise that's related to the book as well. Now, like I said, these baseball jerseys I absolutely adore. They are super soft, really comfortable, and I love the way the logos look on these. So, like I said, you can get this logo on there. We have the Keep Making Magic logo. There's this Keep Making Magic logo on the purple one. And they are just super cozy and really fun. And they're nice because they're a good transition into fall, as well as in the spring, because it's just a nice 3/4 length sleeve shirt, so it's not too heavy. I do have a couple pieces that have my standard Cooking and Craft Chick logo on there. And on the front, there is a little potion bottle. And then we have a couple mugs. Now, I went with black mugs. And these are a nice 15-ounce mug, so it's a little bit bigger, which I absolutely love. And I love how this one has the Keep Making Magic design all the way around. I have a couple that have the C&CC Apothecary logo, and it's one on each side. So I just like that this was a fun way to be able to get my logo on there or put a fun magical logo on there. And it's dishwasher safe, and they are really nice. So if you guys would like to check any of my merchandise out, it's going to be on my Etsy store along with all of my other products that I carry on Etsy. So I'll put a link down below to those and go check it out. And if you guys would love to rock some Cooking and Craft Chick merchandise, I would really appreciate it. I think it's really cool. And then if you guys do order it, definitely tag me in photos of you wearing it, and I will definitely throw it up on Instagram and that, because I love seeing the potions you guys create. And if you guys have pictures of you guys in merchandise, I think that'd be really cool to share on there as well. So the other exciting thing that I am offering on my channel is a way for you guys to show your support, and that is through a Patreon account. So I have created a Patreon account where I have 6 different tiers that will allow you to help support me by helping to fund craft supplies or different projects. But it's also going to be a way for me to be able to work at my full-time job a little less so that I can make more content for you guys. And there are some benefits for you guys as well by becoming a patron. So I have, like I said, 6 different tiers. I have the Potions Novice, which is $3 a month. And you're going to get patron-only updates, which includes things like polls, asking what potions you guys want me to create next, or giving you guys sneak peeks into some upcoming potion labels, things like that. And also a community to chat in, as well as giving you a shout out at the end of my videos for as long as you're actually a patron. And the other exciting thing it gives you is an entry into a monthly potion bottle drawing. So once a month, I will do a drawing of just my patrons to see who I ship a different potion bottle to, and the shipping is going to be available worldwide. I'm going to ship it out to whoever wins it, no matter whether you're in the US or if you're in India or China or wherever you may be. I'll be able to send it to you, and I just think it's like an exciting way for us to be able to send out some potions that, honestly, I don't offer potion bottles on my Etsy store. And part of that is just because it's really nerve-wracking sending liquids through the mail and things like that. And while I have done it and I know how to do it, I don't like making it a habit all the time. So that's why I personally don't sell my potion bottles on my Etsy store. But this is a way for you to get one of my handmade potion bottles. And honestly, your potion bottle is either going to be a 1 of 1 or a 1 of 2. I don't make a whole lot of potion bottles. I sometimes will make one for my sister, and I'll leave one on my shelf. And now you will have an opportunity to have one as well. The next tier I have is my $5 tier, and that is the Intermediate Potioner. So with that, you'll get the end credit mention at the end of my YouTube videos for as long as you stay a patron with me, and then you will get 2 entries into the monthly potion bottle drawing, as well as the chat benefits and Patreon-only updates. The Advanced Potion Maker tier is $10 a month, and that includes the end credit mention, as well as 3 entries into my monthly potion bottle drawing, and a $2 off code for 1 Etsy order per month. So that's one thing I can give you guys to kind of say thank you for supporting me, is if you If you contribute $10, I will give you a $2 off code for one Etsy order every month, which would work on these shirts, as well as anything else I sell on my Etsy store. The next tier is a $25 tier, and that is for the Potions Expert. And again, that includes an end credit mention, 4 entries into the monthly potion bottle drawing, and it's going to include free shipping on one Etsy order per month. Now, that is within the US only. So if you are not within the US, contact me if you are at the $25 level, and I will give you a discount code that would be about the same as what shipping would end up being here in the United States. Then I have the $50 tier, which is the Potions Master. And this tier includes an end credit mention at the end of all of my future videos, 5 entries into a monthly potion bottle drawing, as well as an exclusive shirt designed by me, and it's going to be a different shirt each month. So you might get one of these to begin with, but then you're going to get a different shirt every single month, and that may include some holiday shirts and all kinds of stuff. So I think that's a really exciting thing. And lastly, I have the $100 tier, which is the Alchemist. And the Alchemist tier includes the end credit mention, 6 entries into the monthly potion bottle drawing. I will send you printed and cut out potion labels from this month's video, and if I don't do a potion that month for whatever reason, I will contact you and I will send you a couple potion labels that are printed and cut out from previous videos. You will get an exclusive Cookie and Craft Chick sticker, a different one every month. You will get an exclusive shirt designed by me, a different one every month, as well as a potion. And if you don't want a potion, you also could substitute it for a candle, ornament, etc. We can kind of discuss what you would like at that level. So those are the different tiers that I have on my Patreon account. And by no means do I want any of you to feel like you have to support me on there. You definitely don't. If you have the means and you'd like to help support the channel, I would greatly appreciate it, but at the end of the day, I will still continue to create all of the content I've created before. I will still continue to give you my potion labels for free, and we will continue doing everything that we have done the past 5 years. The only difference will be is that you are just kind of helping me, since all of the stuff that I do on this channel is 100% a labor of love. And by contributing, you're also helping to support me so that I can potentially lessen the amount of work that I do at my Muggle job and can put more content out for you guys. And that's going to be it. I just wanted to come on here and show you guys some of the exciting announcements with the merch line, as well as being able to become a patron of the channel, and just to let you know how much I really, really do appreciate all of you. I love that you guys watch my videos, comment on my videos, like my videos, and it really does mean so much to me. So thank you guys for helping to curate my creativity and keep my artsy side alive. I actually have a Bachelor of Fine Arts in Digital Arts, and for a long time, I didn't do much drawing or digital designing or creating or anything. I just, went to work, came home, and didn't have any way to use my talents. And this channel kind of let me use those talents again. And I'm very grateful that you guys actually enjoy seeing what I create for you and that you guys enjoy making it along with me. So thank you so much, and I really do appreciate it. All the links to everything I showed you today are going to be in the description down below, and that's going to be it. So if you guys like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.